Welcome back to Buzz with Neha Verma. If you're new here, then do subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing 5 festive decor styling tips while I show you how I style this beautiful decor kit by Handmade by Anusatya. Our most favorite Bappa is coming home. Is your home ready to welcome him? With Ganesh Chaturthi approaching fast, it's time for you to get your home ready to give Lord Ganesha the best welcome. I'm starting off with unboxing this decor kit. I received this kit this morning and I've kept it aside till afternoon and then I sanitized it. I hope you all are also taking such precautions when you order something online. Now let's quickly get into unboxing this. This decor kit is completely handmade and handmade stuff will always have my heart. That is how I fell in love with Handmade by Anusatya's work. She has amazing handmade decor kits. You can just order them right away, and as soon as I opened, the first thing that I found was this cute little note that she wrote for me. This kit includes red fabric, which is 33 into 33 inches. What I liked in this is this beautiful gota and sequins embroidery detailing. It's very beautiful. Next up is this 8-inch eco-friendly Ganesh idol. The last one in this kit is this 24 into 16 inch height backdrop along with support stand. You don't have to search for glue at home because she sends it along. So yeah, let me quickly show you how to fix this up. Firstly, start by opening the folded backdrop board and place it on the ground, leaves facing downwards. Now carefully use Fevikwik at the joint to stick it. You will be guided with these markings, so it's very easy to set it up. Now just apply the Fevikwik on this area and do not press the Fevikwik too much. Just be careful with that. Setting this up is so easy, and you will also get an instruction sheet like this on WhatsApp, so it will be very easy for you. Now repeat the same process for the second line also. So that's it, your backdrop frame is ready. You can make it stand on the ground or you can just lay a fabric and make it stand on the table. It will look amazing. Now let's get into my favorite part, that is setting everything up. The wall that is right behind Bappa's idol is a lovely canvas for you to create something special. In fact, leaving it empty is not the greatest of ideas if you want to have a festive feel. So here I'm going to use this red fabric to cover the wall behind. You can also lay this fabric on a table and place your Ganesha on it. So it's all up to you. You can get creative. I personally liked it when I placed it behind. Look at how beautifully it has lit up the whole space. Next, place the backdrop stand. It's very easy to place it as we've already attached those support stands which came in the kit. Next is tip number 2, that is let there be light. From diyas and candles to LED lights, there are so many options of lights that can be used in any combinations to make the space lively. I'm using fairy lights here. I bought these fairy lights from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box below. You can click and buy it if you want to. So yeah, basically lights are game changers when it comes to decor. Okay, wait, let me show you the difference. Tip number 3, theme it up. For example, here I've placed the Ganesha and on the bottom I'm going to add a red color. Here my theme is red, so I'm going to add a red element. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to give it a complete look. For placing the Ganapati idol, I am going to use this to place the Murti. I have used a silver one because as you can see on the fabric also there is sequins which is silver in color, so I'm just trying to match it up and then place the Ganapati Bappa. This is the eco-friendly Ganesh that I got in the kit. Next, I'm adding few pom-poms. If you have roses handy, red color roses will really look very pretty with this decor. Otherwise, you can use pom-poms like this. Tip number 4. Take your pick from natural flowers and their artificial counterparts to decorate your home and Bappa's room in the best possible manner. And here I'm using artificial flowers because I'm making this video way ahead than Ganesh Chaturthi. But you make sure that you add in a lot of natural flowers because it will not only add an aroma but it will be a delightful twist to the overall space. Also, as I didn't want it to paint the Murti, I'm just using a chalk piece to highlight few details. And the final tip is complete it with rangoli. Yes, rangoli brings in that tone for the festive ambience, and whether it's at the main door or in front of the bappa, rangoli designs can really make a difference to not just the decor but also to the overall mood. And yes, the big rule is make it colorful the way you want it. And yeah, I am keeping it simple here with the basic age old muggu design because that's my favorite. It's my all time favorite. I have also shown a similar kind of design in my Sankranti decor video. Decor is something that excites me a lot when it comes to festivals. I don't know, it gives me some kind of joy when I see it, when I play with colors, and I feel I made the right choice by ordering this beautiful decor kit from Handmade by Anusatya. Especially this beautiful leaf backdrop has taken it to next level. You can order this kit right now on Instagram. I will leave the link in the description box below. You can direct message her and she will get in touch with you. They will ship all over India and abroad as well. And the best part about this decor kit is that you don't have to go out to buy things separately. Everything comes in just one single kit. The idol, fabric, backdrop, just everything, and the kind of makeover that it gives to your puja room is amazing. So go ahead and make the most out of these decor tips while your heart chants Ganapati Bappa Moria. Also, if you like this video, do share it with all your friends and family because it might be helpful to some or the other person out there. And on that note, we have come to the end of this video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in another beautiful video. May this Ganesh Chaturthi be a blessed one for all of us. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Lots of love.